In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly deploy your project using Lovable AI and Hostinger, ensuring that your website is up and running smoothly and effectively. To kick off this process, we're going to start by logging into Lovable AI using the Chrome browser. Make sure you have your credentials handy to log in quickly, providing you access to your existing projects with ease. Once inside Lovable AI, navigate to your list of projects. Find the project you want to work with today and open it up. From here, your next destination is the export section. Think of this as the gateway to shifting your project from the development phase to a live environment where users can interact with it. In the export section, you'll find the option to download your project's source code, which we're going to save as a zip file. This step is crucial because the zip file contains all the necessary files and directories needed to bring your project to life on the web. With your zip file safely downloaded, it's time to turn our attention to Hostinger. Begin by logging into your Hostinger control panel. If you haven't used it frequently, remember that this is your command center for managing all aspects of your domains and hosting services. Now let's delve into file management. Within the control panel, you should see an option for the file manager. This tool allows you to manage and manipulate files directly on the server. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable using FTP, that's File Transfer Protocol, you can use that to upload your project files. Both methods work fine, but for simplicity, we're sticking with the file manager today. The next step involves uploading the zip file you downloaded earlier into the file manager. Once uploaded, you'll need to extract the files. This is an important step as it decompresses your project files so they can function properly. After extraction, ensure that all files are placed within the public HTML directory. This directory serves as the home for all your website's files. It's what web browsers access when someone visits your domain URL. Double check that all files are correctly situated here to prevent any hiccups later on. With everything in place, the final step is perhaps the most satisfying one: testing your website live. Visit your Hostinger domain in a web browser and see your project come alive. If everything was done correctly, you should see your hard work beautifully presented for the world to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to deploying your project from Lovable AI to a live environment on Hostinger. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful, empowering you to confidently share your digital creations with a broader audience. Don't forget to test thoroughly for any last-minute tweaks and enjoy your new project online. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!